Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I'm doing a continuation of my Skyline Pigeon piano version tutorial. So let me show you the part we're going to be learning. So, what we're playing in our left hand are just octaves, like we did in the intro, all that stuff. So, I'm going to give you a quick run through of what we're doing in the left hand. In the right hand, we're doing this. The chords you're going to be using are kind of the same as the intro. We're using an E flat, B flat, A flat, F. That's it. Now just keep in mind that this isn't a different chord. It's the same as the normal one. It's just an inversion. So I explained that in the previous video, but if you didn't quite catch that one, what an inversion is, it's the original chord played in a different way, just so that it makes it easier to play the chord without going out of your way to play something over here. When it's over, it's just helpful. So we're gonna start with an E octave and our E flat chord, and we're just gonna kind of add some momentum to the chord. Now there's a couple versions I like to teach of this song. You have the original studio one from Don't Shoot Me, I'm Only the Piano Player, which is a piano version. Then we have the one from Elton John's album Here and There, where he performs it live in the Royal Albert Hall. Now there's a nice, fancy outro, so it goes something like this. Classical concert hall ending. But instead of, moving the chords around like, he goes like this. So this is good if you want to learn the song the simple way. See? So there's two ways you can learn this. So let me get back to teaching you. So E flat chord with the E flat octave in our left hand. You feel free to add some sustain and some fillings. So you have our E flat 2 times, well actually 3 times. B flat. So then from here, to A flat, and then E flat in the right hand, B flat octave in the left, then B flat. Again, add some fillings. Then we're gonna go and take our left hand and bring it to the A while playing an F. It might sound a bit weird, but together they sound nice. So over green fields, trees and mountains on an A flat, flowers with this little weird thing, E flat, B flat, E flat in the right hand, B flat in the left, then to the B flat, then E flat, then to the A flat, E flat, B flat, E flat. And then it repeats again, just with a different ending, and then it slowly transitions into the for just this skyline pigeon dreaming on the open, waiting for the day he can spread his wings and fly away again, all that. But that's the next video. So for this video, I'll do it nice and slow so you can follow. Remember, feel free to pull up a chord chart on your computer. It helps out a lot. And just, there's a couple ways that you can play chords with some momentum and feel. Or just this normal way. Nothing wrong with that. But there's nothing wrong with this way either. Alright? So let's follow along, nice and slow. And I'll explain the chords as I go along. E flat, B flat D, A flat, E flat, B flat, E flat, F and A flat, E flat, B flat, B flat, E flat, little sustain. Then back to the A flat, E flat, B flat, B flat, E flat. Now I'm not going to say the chords, just go along nice and slow. That's it. So just keep practicing that memory. The chord chart will help out a lot. It's like I wrote down the chords for you. That's what it's kind of like. And you just play along with it. Feel free to play along with the song, you know. And add some momentum and movement to your chords. And, you know, just, you know, play along with whatever note would sound nice with it. See that? Nice. And the B flat chord. Sustain chords help fill in the part, just the gap where no one's singing. So, you know, just practice it. You know, I'll do it slow for you one more time. That's it. So, guys, feel free to like or subscribe and leave a comment down below. and more tutorials are coming so you can learn all your favorite songs. So thank you and have a great day.